Hey guys, I just thought we'd do a quick video of the revised Dellorto PHVB 22mm performance kit that we have available for Aprilia and Piaggio 50cc scooters. So I'll just pop this out of the box and show you all the pieces we've included in this awesome little kit. Alrighty guys, so this is the carb here. So obviously it is a Dellorto PHVB 22mm. You'll just see that cast into the side of the carby there. So I've just popped the intake manifold that comes with this kit onto the carby, just for the purpose of showing you in the video. But as one of the great things about this carb is it's an auto choke carb. So this carb comes with a Dellorto genuine auto choke already pre-installed. So the one difference with this choke I will mention, this kit fits all Aprilia and Piaggio 50cc two-stroke models. So the plug that comes on this auto choke is the Dellorto plug as opposed to the Piaggio plug. So there's a couple of ways around this. You can very easily swap this plug over, or the factory auto choke that comes on the PHVA Dellorto carb on all factory Aprilia and Piaggio 50cc two-stroke models is precisely the same auto choke, so you can just move that over. But as this kit comes with the auto choke, it's just a good option there to change the plug over and have a brand new choke. So the other thing you'll see is in this kit we include these Molossi little airbox stuffers. So the idea behind these, you'll see, if I get it to focus there, you'll see a little lip on it just there. So the idea behind this is you drill a hole the same outside diameter as the end of the stuffer there, and they essentially just go in, pop in and stay in place. Now you need to have a proper look at your airbox before you start drilling holes into it. So you get it definitely on the dirty air side as opposed to the clean air side. So obviously it needs to be installed in the pre-filtered air, not post-filtered air side. But the idea behind this is, if you can, get it in a spot where it's going to be upside down, and it just sort of discourages larger bits of debris and water from getting into that side of the airbox through the big hole. So, and it also looks really tidy in there. So awesome piece of kit. Comes with two of those stuffers. Let's just snuck around there. So yeah, awesome piece of kit. Just your overflow there. But if you have a Aprilia or a Piaggio 50cc two-stroke model with that Piaggio Hyper 2 engine, you'll notice that this carb looks almost identical to the factory PHVA. It's basically the big brother, the PHVB, of that stock PHVA carb. So this will bolt straight up, and as it comes with all the parts for fitting, so really easy, really pain-free kit, especially with that auto choke, as most other performance carb options come with a manual choke. So awesome little kit we've put together for you, and definitely worth having a look at.